Thank you to be one more time with us. Today's video, I am showing you how to create a flawless and beautiful skin for long wear makeup. Trying to review this makeup, and I will give you my professional opinion and my model opinion, which is the Landia. Don't forget, before you start this video, subscribe, share and like, and leave us a comment when you're done the video. And remember, all the products in this video you can see in the link down below, and you can find the description and what we are using exactly. Thank you so much for being with us and enjoy. Carl. For base color, I am using the shade Single, and we start applying the first shade of the purple and the shade Escape. To intensify the outer corner of this eye, we combine the shade Love then and start blending these two shades. Center of the lid, with a flat brush, apply the shade Artistry and come back with the other two brushes you used previously and create a smooth transition. The highlight to the inner corner, we come back with a very light amount of the eye primer we used before, follow the natural crease shape of the lid, and use a fluffy brush creating a smooth transition. Ring light to highlight the inner corner. Because this look will be very bold, I want to open the eyes using a metallic white eyeliner. To create a double liner, I have a Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, Honey Please, for this first layer, and for more definition wing effect, make a thin black liner using next step, try to be careful if you don't like overexpose your texture or don't like at all the matte finish. But this is highly recommended if you are going to wear makeup for a long time and you are going to be exposed to sweat. That is a good way to make your look stay for a long time and it will not break at any time. For this, I am using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, applying and setting, and especially in the areas I know she can sweat or she can have more oily skin. But take note, this application and products are not the only exact way to do the long-last makeup. It's other products and other techniques we are going to show you and we are going to explain you and reviewing in the future. For highlighter, I want to give a little kiss of a Skin BLING Illuminizer. Here is the first part of the final look. She will wear this look for 7 hours. We are going to test hard this foundation and we are going to show you the overall look at the end of the day. See you and wait for the result. Now, talking about this foundation, I can tell you I love how applied, I love how work on the skin is full cover right in the moment you apply the first layer. You don't need to work a lot. Blend perfect with every contour or whatever blush you are using. I love and keep the setting powder very good in the moment. But what is the problem I find on this is the next. Once the person start wearing for longer, it's not worth it. I will say this can worth it, but you need a lot maintenance. You need to keep applying setting powder and you need to refreshing the makeup for longer. Then I don't know if really I will say is a long last foundation or work good. And I will say I only will use this for photo shoots, or for somebody will tell me I need to look pretty only for 1 hour, something like that. But somebody will use for longer, like my experience, a lot of my customers who are dancers or actors who need use for longer, I don't recommend, because you can see in the after picture I am posting here in the video, the Landia's skin, once come the time, we try to don't retouch the makeup. If you see, the only we changed was the eye look, only to pop off at the end of the night and have a fun with the makeup. You can see how the pores looks, how the breakdown on the lines around the nose and around the mouth. I don't like when the foundation create that look, and especially what I don't like is the greasy texture. No matter you see how much powder I apply in the setting preparation, shouldn't be happen. Then I will say, compared with other kind of brand I used before and I experienced, I will say I will give you 5 of 10, which is not bad. Why? Because price is amazing. Price is like a $10, something like that. Colors, they have a very long gamma of tones, and you are having 2-in-1. It's not bad option. Like what I say, for short period of time, I don't consider this is a stay for longer. I don't think so. I don't think will do the job you want. If you want to use for longer, then be ready to keep with you or bring a little carry on with you, and make sure you have your powders or at least your powder puff with you, and then you can retouch maybe every hour, every 2 hours. But if not, you will be suffering for greasy skin and you will start looking very shiny. I hope this review helped you, and if you want to try, anyway, it's a cheap brand that is not that bad option. You can find in the drugstore. Thank you one more time to be with us. Please remember, subscribe, share, and like. And remember, go to the link down below to find all the information about the product we are using here, even the backstage and what we produce. And I hope to see your pictures, your reviews, and some videos from you. And send us love, and we are going to be here next week. I hope to see you soon, and bye.